Ria and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you all how to create this Onam makeup look. But before that, a very happy Onam to everyone who's celebrating. And also guys, this is a very simple look because I wanted to create a makeup look that would go with basically any color blouse that you wear. Now the highlight of this makeup look is the brush set that I have used. So this brush set is by the brand called the Makeup Bar and it comes in this kind of a packaging. So the Makeup Bar is a brand that has been launched by my very dear celebrity makeup artist friend Kiran Soni, and because of her expertise and her intensive knowledge of makeup, she has created this beautiful makeup brush set. So first of all, it comes in this kind of a packaging. So it comes with its own pouch. Okay, so this is the pouch. Okay, very compact, very travel friendly, and she has basically put in a lot of thought behind creating this makeup brush set, because obviously uska itna zyada like knowledge hai, experience hai, तो वो सबको ध्यान में रख कर she has created this makeup brush set. Okay, so first of all, highly appreciate her for coming out with this cute and compact pouch. So when you open the pouch, you will see 5 different brushes over here, but these are just not 5 brushes. Okay, these 3 right here are also dual ended brushes. So basically you will get 8 brushes in total, which is good enough to do your entire face of makeup very easily. Okay, so the first one right here is called as the powder brush. So this is a really compact powder brush that is perfect for setting your face with a loose powder, for powder contour, as well as to apply your powder blush as well. This next brush is called as the foundation brush, which is perfect for applying any sort of foundation, whether it's a if you want to blend a cream foundation, liquid foundation, or a powder foundation. This one is really good. It also provides a sheer to full coverage finish, and it can also be used for cream contouring or for applying your cream blush and illuminators. The next brush is this dual ended brush. So one side you have the concealer brush, which has a very unique design which makes it easy to reach in hard areas like eye corner and around the nose. And the other side is a dome shaped side. So the flat side is used to deposit the product, and basically you can also pinpoint concealing, create cut crease, eyeliner defining, lipstick filling. So there are a lot of uses of this multi-purpose brush as well. This next dual-ended brush has a flat fluffy side on one side. So it is basically used to deposit your eyeshadow, and you can also use the dome fluffy side for blending your eyeshadow. So it also doubles up as a blending brush as well. And the other side is a very nice pencil side. So the pointed side can be used to smudge your eyeshadows, or if you want to apply a precise eyeshadow application in upper lash line, lower lash line, inner corner of your eyes. So everything you can do with this pencil side. And the last brush is this precision brush. So on the one side it has this slant edge which fills your eyebrows beautifully. You can also create smoky eyeliners with eyeshadows using this slanted brush. And on the other side you will get the thinnest angle side, and the thin tip allows to create very extremely fine eyeliner or delicate lines. You can also create graphic or colored liners as well using this side. So I am honestly totally in love with this brush set, and in the tutorial also you will see of how convenient it is to use these brushes, and also because it comes in this kind of a compact case, it is like परफेक्ट फॉर ट्रैवल. मतलब आपको ज़्यादा दिमाग लगाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है कि आप कैसे स्टोर करोगे अपने ब्रशेस को, कौन से ब्रशेस लेके जाने. आप यही ब्रश सेट घर पर भी यूज़ कर सकते हो. ईजिली पुट दिस इन योर पर्स एंड टेक इट फॉर ट्रैवल पर्पस एज वेल. सो पर्सनली आई एम एब्सोल्युटली इन लव विद दिस ब्रश सेट, एंड आपने मेरे प्रीवियस ट्यूटोरियल्स में भी देखा होगा आई एम ऑलवेज यूजिंग सम ऑफ द अदर ब्रश आउट ऑफ दिस ब्रश सेट. ओके, सो अगर आपको ये ब्रश सेट परचेज करना है तो इसका डायरेक्ट लिंक मैंने आपको नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दिया है. सो या नाउ विदाउट फर्दर अडू लेट्स बिगिन विद द ट्यूटोरियल. Okay guys, so to start off with, I'm going to be using the foundation brush, and I will be using my Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and using this foundation brush I will spread it all over my face. So this is such a nice foundation brush which does not leave any streak when you apply the foundation. In fact, most of the times you often require lesser product when you're using this brush, because this brush doesn't soak up much product as well. So it's a really nice foundation brush that I really love to use whenever I'm applying any sort of cream or liquid foundation. Next, for my concealer, I'm going to be using this concealer side of the brush, and I will be using my Stars concealer like always, and I will be taking a bit of it and applying it in my under eye area and also around my mouth where I do have a lot of pigmentation. So this particular combination of the Stars concealer and this concealer brush is really amazing, because this brush is so it has such a nice design, and it literally blends the concealer like a dream. So I really love using this concealer brush. Next, you can also use this concealer brush for spot concealing or any areas where you need a bit of more concealing. Then with the powder brush, I'm going to set my entire face using my Too Faced Born This Way compact powder. This again has a bit of extra coverage, so it really helps to add another layer of coverage and gives a flawless base like you can see here. And then I'm also using this verified loose powder, because it just makes your base sweat proof as well, and it also gives you a nice blurring effect. So I really love using this verified airbrush loose powder as well to set my face. Now moving on to eye makeup, I'm using this dome side of the fluffy brush, which is basically like a blending brush as well, and I'm taking a very light brown shade and applying it all over my crease. So I'm going to be extremely slow with this process, because I'm going to take just one shade and I will be blending it really well till I have a nice base, like not base basically, but a nice gradient effect. So here I'm blending the eyeshadow really well. Then taking the pointy side of the brush, eyeshadow brush, I'm going to take a darker brown shade and I will be applying it on my inner corners as well as on my outer corner of the eyes, just to give you sort of a halo effect. So here I'm applying the darker brown shade, and like you can see, it's creating sort of like a halo effect. Now the area in the center, I will be applying a very nice golden shade with the help of the flat shader brush, and like you can see, it just fits in really well, picks the right kind of product. And it's also great for creating cut creases if you want to create a cut crease, because it's the size is really perfect, and it just pats in the product really well. So you can also create cut creases using this eyeshadow brush as well. Next, with the same brush, I'm also going to apply the brown, light and dark brown eyeshadow below my waterline, because otherwise the look will be incomplete. So again, I'm taking a bit of that product and I will be applying it on just below my waterline as well. And then with the help of this angle brush, you can also apply cream eyeliners or colorful eyeliners, and with the help of this pointy side you can also apply your liquid kajals or cream kajals as well. But I will be applying a liquid eyeliner basically today, so I'm not going to be using that brush. Here I am just filling in my eyebrows using my elf eyebrow pencil. This is my go-to eyebrow pencil. I generally use this only to shape my eyebrows, because it comes in a retractable form as well, so it's super convenient to use, plus it has a spoolie as well on the other side. Next, I will be applying this Mars mascara. Now this comes in two different forms. So there's a step 1 and a step 2, and both of them gives me good length as well as volume. So recently I've just started using this mascara and I really love the effect that it gives me, because it just curls my lashes really well, like you can see here. Also applying the same on my lower eyelashes as well. Now for my kajal, I'm using the Color Bars Intensely Rich Kajal. This again is my staple in all of my makeup videos. It's a super jet black, glides on smoothly and also stays on forever. So here I'm just applying this Color Bar Kajal. Also this is extremely affordable, hardly for rupees 100. So nothing can get better than this because it's retractable, it's super jet black as well. So I love using this kajal. Next, I'm also going to tightline my eyes using the same kajal like you can see here. And then finally, time for my eyeliner. So I'm using the Kiros eyeliner pen. This again has been a recent discovery, and I'm totally obsessed with this eyeliner pen because again it's super jet black and it gives like great precision whenever you're applying an basically a winged eyeliner. So I really love using this eyeliner pen. So that's what I'm creating an winged eyeliner here. Now for my blush, I'm again using the same powder brush. Just dusted it a little, and then I'm applying my Miss Claire blush all over my cheeks like you can see here. You can also use this brush for contouring, but I'm not going to be contouring my face today, but you can use this brush for doing that. And finally, to finish off the look, I'm applying this Color Bars liquid lipstick in the shade Hot Fire 003. This is such a beautiful red shade that looks really pretty. Whether you're light, medium or dusky, this one will look really pretty on you. So yeah guys, that's my final lipstick, and this is my entire look. Do let me know in the comments how do you like this look. And once again, a very happy Onam to all of you who are celebrating, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye.